So next one, if the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 3, 4. Find the vertices of triangle and hence find its centroid. So just to read what is given. Midpoints of the sides of a triangle are given. So just you draw a figure, a triangle ABC. This midpoint is D, this midpoint is E, this midpoint is F. Midpoints of the sides of a triangle are 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and 3, 4. Question is, find the vertices of the triangle. We want what is A, what is B and what is C. So, let us take this A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2 and C as x3, y3. Okay. Now we are going to find x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So, since the midpoint is given, we are going to apply the midpoint formula. So, just AB you take. AB part you take. AB, one vertex is x1, y1, one vertex is x2, y2 and midpoint is 3, 4. Okay. So, how we can write, you tell, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 3, 4 by midpoint formula. So, when two coordinates are equal, their x value equal, y value equal. So, what we are getting? x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 3 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 4. Understood? So, this implies, while cross multiplying we are getting x1 plus x2 is 6. Here we will get y1 plus y2 is equal to 8. Okay. So, when we take one side, what we are getting, just you see, x1 plus x2, first two coordinates sum is equal to double the value 3 into 2. y1 plus y2 is double 4. Okay. So, this one step you write here. So, what we can write, you see, x1 plus x2 is 6 and y1 plus y2 is equal to 8. Similarly, if we take this part, no need of writing the step, how we will get? First one plus first one, that is x2 plus x3 is double this. So, how we will get? x2 plus x3 is 2 and y2 plus y3 is double the value. y2 plus y3 is double. Now, if we consider this part, x1 plus x3 we will get to double. So, x1 plus x3 we will get to 4 and y1 plus y3 we will get minus 6. Understood? So, one step we did. By using that, we can write all the sides. Okay. So, like the 6 equations you got. Now, I am taking this one. All the 3 equations I am adding. So, while adding, you see, x1 is coming 2 times, x2 is coming 2 times, x3 is coming 2 times. So, we can write 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12. Or x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. In the same way, if we add this one, we are getting 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. So, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. y2 into this much is 4. So, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now, you see, sum of these three is 6. But x1 plus x2 itself is 6. So, instead of x1 plus x2, we can put 6. 6 plus x3 is equal to 6. So, this implies x3 is 6 minus 6, 0. Now, you have to see x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 6. But x2 plus x3 is 2. So, we can write x1 plus x2 plus x3 place we can put it 2. So, 2 is equal to 6. Okay. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. In that, x2 plus x3 is 2. So, x1 plus 2 is 6. Implies x1 is 6 minus 2, 4. Now, take the last one. x1 plus x3 is 4. Here instead of x1 plus x3 we are putting 4. So 4 plus x2 is equal to 6. Implies x2 6 minus 4 2. Okay. In the same way we are doing here. y1 plus y2 is 8. So there I am putting 8 plus y3 equal to 2. Implies y3 is 2 minus 8 minus 6. Next step, y2 plus y3 is 2. So what is remaining? y1 plus 2 is equal to 2. y1 plus 2 is equal to 2. So this implies y1 is equal to 0. Next step, y1 plus y3 is minus 6. So, y2 is remaining, which is equal to 2, implies y2 is 2 plus minus 6, 8. Okay. So, we got all the values. So, what is A? A means x1, y1. x1 is 4, y1 is 0. Then, B is x2, y2. x2 is 2, y2 is 8. And C is x3, y3. x3 is 0, y3 is minus 6. So, these are the vertices of triangle. 3 vertices of triangle. Now, what is the question? Also find its centroid. What is centroid formula? Centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. No need of again substituting. Already x1 plus x2 plus x3 we got. How much? 6. So 6 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 we got 2. So 2 by 3, that is 6 by 3 is 2 and 2 by 3. So this is the centroid of the triangle.